have to be this way. In the past few years, we have had the privilege to work on various data and ML projects and to collaborate with ML practitioners from multiple industries. While there are barriers and pains, as we've outlined earlier, there are also better paths, practices, and systems of work that allow ML practitioners to reliably deliver ML-enabled products into the hands of customers. That's what this book is all about. We'll draw from our experience to distill a set of enduring principles and practices that consistently help us to effectively deliver ML solutions in the real world. These practices work because they're based on taking a holistic approach to building ML systems. They go beyond just ML to create essential feedback loops in various subsystems. For example, product, engineering, data, delivery processes, team topologies, and enable teams to fail quickly and safely, experiment rapidly, and deliver reliably. Who this book is for. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Henry Ford. Whether you're an ML practitioner in academia, an enterprise, a startup, a scale-up, or consulting, the principles and practices in this book can help you and your team become more effective in delivering ML solutions. In line with the cross-functional nature of ML delivery techniques that we detail in this book, we address the concerns and aspirations of multiple roles in teams doing ML. Data scientists and ML engineers. The job scope of a data scientist has evolved over the past few years. Instead of purely focusing on modeling techniques and data analysis, we are seeing expectations, implicit or explicit, that one needs to possess the capabilities of a full-stack data scientist. Data wrangling, ML engineering, ML ops, and business case formulation among others. This book elaborates on the capabilities necessary for data scientists and ML engineers to design and deliver ML solutions in the real world. In the past, we've presented the principles, practices, and hands-on exercises in this book to data scientists, ML engineers, PhD students, software engineers, quality analysts, and product managers, and we've consistently received positive feedback. The ML practitioners we've worked with in the industry have said that they benefited from improvement in feedback cycles, flow, and reliability that comes from practices such as automated testing and refactoring. Our takeaway is that there is a desire from the ML community to learn these skills and practices, and this is our attempt to scale the sharing of this knowledge. Software engineers, infrastructure and platform engineers, architects. When we run workshops on the topics we cover in this book, we often come across software engineers, infrastructure and platform engineers, and architects working in the ML space. While capabilities from the software world, for example, infrastructure as code, deployment automation, automated testing, are necessary in designing and delivering ML solutions in the real world, they are also insufficient. To build reliable ML solutions, we need to widen the software lens and consider other principles and practices, such as ML model tests, dual-track delivery, continuous discovery, and ML governance, to handle challenges that are unique to ML. Product managers, delivery managers, engineering managers. We set ourselves up for failure if we think that we need only data scientists and ML engineers to build an ML product. In contrast, our experience tells us that teams are most effective when they are cross-functional and equipped with the necessary ML, data, engineering, product, and delivery capabilities. In this book, we elaborate on how you can apply lean delivery practices and systems thinking to create structures that help teams to focus on the voice of the customer, shorten feedback loops, experiment rapidly and reliably, and iterate toward building the right thing. As W. Edwards Deming once said, "A bad system will beat a good person every time." So, we share principles and practices that will help teams create structures that optimize information flow, reduce waste, for example, handoffs, dependencies, and improve value. If we've done our job right, this book will invite you to examine closely how things have always been done in ML and in your teams, to reflect on how well they are working for you,